Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie here at Aroma Thyme. Happy Cinco de Mayo to you. It is May 5th, so Cinco de Mayo. The streets are closed. Our garden is ready. We have jazz tonight, and we are ready to rock and roll. We're doing a free Mexican wine tasting in our garden this evening, so come check it out. Patrick will be out there, and he will be tasting you on 3 Mexican wines. From Valle de Guadalupe. We'll be doing our next Mexican trip down to that area in October. There are 200 wineries down there. The food is amazing. So if you'd like to travel with Marcus and I, we'd love to have you come travel with us and check out the Valle de Guadalupe area for Mexican wines. So today I'm going to be making a margarita, obviously. I am going to be making a rosemary watermelon margarita. And let's see, tonight, before I make my margarita, let me just let you know, tonight is our new special. It's a $9.99 special this week from Thursday to Monday. It is beef teriyaki with rice and broccoli. That is our $9.99 special, takeout only. Let's see, what else we have going on with jazz tonight, a free Mexican wine tasting in the garden tonight. We have our $9.99 special. It is Mother's Day on Sunday, so join us for Mother's Day on Sunday. We'll be open at noon. We'll be doing breakfast, brunch, 4 brunch specials, and then our regular menu starting at noon on Mother's Day. I highly recommend reservations. We will be busy on Mother's Day. It's always a busy day for us. It does not look like the weather is going to cooperate this weekend. It is supposed to be rainy tomorrow and Saturday, and Sunday's only supposed to be in the 50s. So we'll be doing inside dining this weekend, so please join us. But today it is beautiful. Come on out. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Join us in our garden. You can sit outside. We have jazz inside at 7 o'clock. And we have the free Mexican wine tasting out back. So we also have a taco pizza tonight. So that is one of our specials tonight, a taco pizza. We also have tacos on the menu, right, Marcus? Is it ribeye tacos?
Strip steak.
Strip steak tacos on our menu. So come join us for Cinco de Mayo tonight. Jazz, lots going on here at Aroma Thyme. But I'm gonna make a rosemary watermelon margarita. I'm going to be using what we use all the time as our margarita tequila. It's Pueblo Vieja, and this is a woman-owned distillery from Mexico. Her husband was killed in the agave wars. She's still woman-owned. She provides daycare for her staff. Amazing distillery down in Mexico. So, all right, I'm going to start with some ice in my shaker. I'm going to point it down. Before I'm done, I will go ahead and I will take you out back and show you the Mexican wines. But Pueblo Vieja, so 2 ounces of Pueblo Vieja tequila. I'm going to add some rosemary syrup that I made. It's agave and rosemary. I am going to shake up my lime juice here, and I'm going to put about 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce of Curacao. Those of you that know, we use Curacao instead of triple sec. It's our orange liqueur that we use in our margaritas. I'm going to add some fresh watermelon juice that I made. A drop more. I'm going to go ahead and shake this on up. I like my margaritas on the rocks and with salt. So I'm going to put salt on my rim of my glass. So I just take a lime, I dip it into the salt, and there you have your rim. I'm going to put ice in my glass. I'm going to shake up one more time my margarita. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. Thank you for watching me. Hello, Spencer. Hello, Terry. Hello, Ellen. Let's see, Liz is on. So there you have it. Rosemary watermelon margarita. Yum, yum, yum. Go ahead and give this a whirl and a taste. That is yummy. Hello, Dave. Up in Rochester area. Great restaurant up there. If you're ever up in that area, let me know. I'll send you to Dave, the original charbroil grill. Hello, Cheryl. Thanks for watching me. Really appreciate it, everybody. If you're watching me live, you can put #live in the comments. If you're watching on replay, #replay. I have to take another sip. That is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a little tour Here's the bar. Most of you have seen our bar. Look at all of those spirits back there. All independently owned, all independents, small brands, no big brands. Give me a thumbs up. I am going to walk you to the back. Patrick, he is ready to taste you on some wine. Patrick does not want to be on camera, but there he is with his sombrero, ready to go. All right, so our garden is ready for you tonight. Here are some of the Mexican wines that we will be serving. We have a rosé, we have a Sauvignon Blanc. Those are from the Valle de Guadalupe from Montchenique. We also have a Cabernet we'll be pouring tonight. So come on in, get a taste of, let's see, Sauvignon Blanc, rosé, or Cabernet. You can taste them. If you'd like a glass, you can go ahead, Soleil. And I'm actually just videoing this. We, our staff is getting ready to open up, so they're, running around getting ready for our night. Thank you, Aileen. I make the best. Thank you. Hello, Joanne. Hello, Aileen. Heidi, how are you? Courtney's on. She's in the dining room. So you can come in. You can taste wines. There's 3 wines for you to taste. If you would like a glass of wine from any of the ones that we're pouring, we'd be happy to get you a glass of wine, from the bottles. Our garden is ready. I wanted to plant flowers this week. It just has not happened yet. I think it's going to have to wait till next week because it's going to rain all weekend. So, and let's see, we are also going to be watching Justin play baseball this weekend up in Buffalo. So we'll be up there. We're open Mother's Day. I think I've mentioned that before. And we are ready to rock and roll here at Aroma Thyme. Hope everybody's having a great, beautiful day. Get out there and go for a walk. I know I went for a walk earlier. Marcus went for a run. It is beautiful out. It's supposed to get cold, but then it's supposed to be in the 70s next week. So super excited about that. So hopefully our garden will be open starting next week. And you can sit outside in the garden. This is the garden area. It is ready to go. So you're more than welcome to come sit outside here tonight. Have a margarita, have a taco pizza, and join us for dinner. So I'm gonna go back inside. I gotta get ready for this Mexican wine tasting. Hope everybody's having a great night, and we will catch everybody soon. Enjoy, and maybe leave a comment on what margarita you're going to be drinking tonight. So talk to everybody soon. Happy Cinco de Mayo.